Now moving like a doll, you gotta like move mostly the hip, nothing else. It's like you hold a pose, you move. To move like a doll, you need to feel like a doll. If you don't feel it, you can't move like one. That's the truth. And you need to convince yourself, I'm a doll. Dolls don't move normal people. You're not a person, you're a doll. Okay? And you gotta feel the stiffness. You gotta bring it on you. And the hands, keep it like this. If you want, you can do this. Oval. Sharp. That's it. Oh. There you go. And you can look at the person. Okay? And look at how my feet moves. Like, I'm moving heels like this. Look. They're barely moving. Sometimes you can just you can also do this if you want to be like but not too loose. You gotta be stiff too. Your movements. Play. You can go around. They're not sloppy. You have to stay stiff. Look how stiff I am. And you know, they barely move. So move only small parts of your body, like your hips. Move your hips. That's really good. You can do like this. You can look like you're trying to move like a machine. So move only this part. And keep it all the same. You can play with your movements. Like that. It's not so hard. Leg up, you can go leg up. Go a little sloppy and loose. And to walk like one, we walk more like this. Or like, you know? And you can be sloppy too. Remember, they have a pose, so try to hold that pose. If you want to move more, you can move your shoulders too. Move one part of your body, but keep the same pose. That's how you move like a doll. Now, thank you so much, and bye.